over at Tiffins in Animal Kingdom for dinner. It's one of the Disney signature restaurants. We've only been here once before, but the food is so good. Oh, we're going in to eat. Well,
dinner time.
We'll fill you in later, I guess. Time to eat. So this is the pomegranate focaccia with the pomegranate molasses on it. It's really nice. It's like this super tart, and then you get a little bit of sweetness from the bread because of the molasses. It's actually a really nice offering that I don't think you get in a lot of places at Disney for bread service. So it's really cool. I like it. Okay, so I got the lamb shank, the braised lamb shank, and it is on top of black-eyed peas and a coriander chutney. So I'm super excited because I love coriander.
Chicken and waffle is good, and the huckleberry jam that is on top of this waffle just really makes it amazing. And as Taylor pronounced for me, this is
Cannellini.
Cannellini.
We have the Halo dessert, which has a sweet potato ice cream, a ginger beer sorbet, and a condensed milk ice cream, and then a jackfruit and more jackfruit, and a coconut crumble.
We just enjoyed dinner at Tiffins tonight with Josh and Taylor from the WDW Couple.
It was really nice. We've only been here once before, a couple months ago, I guess.
At most, yeah.
Yeah. We also were able to use our Tables in Wonderland card.
Only if you're a Florida resident, pass holder,
right.
and special people.
Tables in Wonderland is great. It's 20% off of food, beverages.
And alcoholic beverages,
yeah,
too.
which is a really great incentive. So we were able to use it for the entire table. The food is great. Everything's well thought out. There's lots of different flavors. You know, when they present a dessert to you and talk about the acidity versus the alkaline, you get a really nice adventure that you would never know is right in the middle of the Animal Kingdom. I mean, right outside those doors is the theme park, and we're eating a meal that is unlike any other, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a really great experience, and one we highly recommend.
The most impressive part for me was on our table we had lamb shank, braised short ribs, surf and turf, and just to round out, I ordered what we thought would be the simplest on the menu, which was the chicken and waffles. It was probably the best chicken and waffles I've had, and thanks to Taylor I learned what cannellini was and that I really like cannellini.
Yeah.
Who knew there was an opposite to broccolini?
You know, I think the biggest takeaway when you come to a place like this is you get to think about all the other food that's not your typical Disney theme park food. You can have an amazing meal while you're here. Give yourself a chance to just slow down, take in a meal with your family and friends. Then you can go back out and have a crazy time, but at least you got to really enjoy a peaceful vacation.
And not to mention try a bunch of new flavors from restaurants that you otherwise wouldn't venture to those flavors at
Yeah,
home.
yeah, kind of within the safety and confines of like a Disney, you get to try a whole bunch of new stuff. So it's awesome.